Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are starting this new series of videos. This is a new series which I'm starting where we are going to discuss a lot of basic algorithms. Okay, so why this particular series is because in many syllabuses like BCA or MCA or any other computer science related subject, there will be always a fundamental paper which will be usually called as problem solving techniques or art of programming. Now, what is this particular subject? So in this particular subject, you will be trying to understand what is a given question or a problem. We call it as a problem statement. There will be a problem statement given. For example, how will you count a number? How will you find a next Fibonacci number? Such kind of a problem statement will be given. Now we have to understand how can we implement that in a program. So before you implement any problem into a program, you have to write a step-by-step solutions for that. That step-by-step procedure or solution is called as algorithm, as we all know. So how can we solve a problem and end up with the algorithm for that particular problem is what we are trying to understand in this new series. All right. So basically building logical thinking is where I am focusing here. Logical thinking if there is a given problem. So how am I going to tackle the situation here? So in every video, we will take a problem statement. Okay. So once we get a problem statement, then we will take an example and try to understand that problem. So we will take one example first and we'll try to understand that problem. So once that problem is clear to us, what exactly the output we are expecting, once that is clear to us, we'll try to figure out how to write an algorithm. So once I have an algorithm, then we will take another example and we will iterate the same algorithm to see if we are getting the required output or not. So these are the steps which we are going to be following in order to do this. So now that we know that how we are going to learn this particular series, how we are going to do the series, now let us quickly see the topics which I'll be covering. So I will try and cover these topics in this series. So as you can see, we are starting from very basics where we will start with exchanging the values of two variables, counting, summation, factorial, Fibonacci, reversing a digit, okay, character to number conversion, finding a square root. So these are all the basics ones we will start. And then as you can see, then it will go on becoming a bit complicated. Generation of the prime numbers, computing prime factors, generating pseudorandom numbers, raising number to a largest power, array order reversal, all those things. Okay, when we come to the next part, so we are starting with arrays. So we will do certain problems related to array where we will see how can you reverse the order, how can you do counting, histogramming using the array, how can you find the maximum number in a given set, how can you remove the duplicate set in a given array, how do you find the smallest element in an array, multiplication of two matrices we are going to learn. We will see merging algorithms, few of them. As you can see, we have around 5 sorting algorithms we are going to see. So these you would have come across in data structure. So those algorithms also we will discuss, like selection sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, shell sort, and quick sort. Then we will see searching algorithms like linear search, binary search, and hash. And then text related algorithms also we are going to discuss. So where we will see text line and length adjustment, keyword searching in a text line editing, and very, very important KMP pattern searching algorithms. Now these 17 plus 17, 34 algorithms is what I'm planning to discuss in this particular series. So I will try and upload as many as quickly as possible. All right, students. Okay, I hope these series will help you all in your studies. At least if you do not have these algorithms, yet you can learn from these that how can we generate a logic based on a given problem. All right. So that's all in today's session. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.